In recent years, advancements in technology have transformed the landscape of Forex trading, offering traders unprecedented tools and resources to optimize their strategies and maximize efficiency. From algorithmic trading platforms to automated trading systems, technology plays a pivotal role in shaping the way traders approach the Forex market. In this article, we'll explore the multifaceted role of technology in Forex trading and how it enables traders to automate strategies for enhanced efficiency and precision. 1. Algorithmic trading platforms. Algorithmic trading platforms, also known as trading robots or expert advisors, EAs, are computer programs that execute trades automatically based on predefined criteria and algorithms. These platforms enable traders to automate their trading strategies and execute trades with lightning-fast speed and precision. Algorithmic trading platforms can analyze vast amounts of market data in real time, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades with split-second accuracy, all without human intervention. By leveraging algorithmic trading platforms, traders can eliminate emotional bias, reduce human error, and capitalize on market inefficiencies with unparalleled efficiency. 2. High-frequency trading, HFT. High-frequency trading, HFT, is a subset of algorithmic trading that involves executing a large number of trades at extremely high speeds. HFT strategies rely on advanced algorithms and cutting-edge technology to capitalize on small price discrepancies and market inefficiencies. HFT firms invest heavily in state-of-the-art infrastructure, including low-latency trading systems and high-speed data feeds, to execute trades with millisecond precision. While controversial due to concerns about market manipulation and systemic risk, HFT has become a dominant force in the Forex market, accounting for a significant portion of trading volume on major exchanges. 3. Automated trading systems. Automated trading systems are another powerful tool for Forex traders looking to streamline their trading process and improve efficiency. These systems utilize computer algorithms to generate trading signals, manage positions, and execute trades automatically. Automated trading systems can be customized to suit individual trading preferences and risk tolerance, allowing traders to implement complex trading strategies with ease. Additionally, automated trading systems can operate around the clock, taking advantage of trading opportunities in global markets while traders sleep or attend to other responsibilities. 4. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI, are revolutionizing the field of Forex trading by enabling traders to develop sophisticated predictive models and adaptive trading strategies. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of historical market data to identify patterns, trends, and correlations that may not be apparent to human traders. By continuously learning from new data and adapting to changing market conditions, AI-powered trading systems can optimize performance and adapt to evolving market dynamics with unparalleled precision. Machine learning and AI are increasingly being integrated into trading platforms and tools, empowering traders to make more informed decisions and achieve superior results. 5. Risk management and portfolio optimization. Technology also plays a crucial role in risk management and portfolio optimization in Forex trading. Advanced risk management tools and software allow traders to assess and mitigate risks, optimize position sizing, and diversify their portfolios effectively. By utilizing sophisticated risk management techniques, traders can protect their capital from excessive losses and ensure long-term sustainability. Additionally, portfolio optimization tools can help traders maximize returns while minimizing volatility and drawdowns, resulting in a more stable and resilient trading strategy. Conclusion: technology has revolutionized the world of Forex trading, offering traders unprecedented tools and resources to automate strategies, improve efficiency, and enhance precision. From algorithmic trading platforms to high-frequency trading, HFT systems, automated trading systems, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, technology continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the Forex market. By leveraging technology effectively, traders can streamline their trading process, mitigate risks, and achieve consistent profitability in the dynamic and competitive world of Forex trading.